how to go live on Facebook. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook, and if you have multiple accounts, make sure to log in to the account from where you want to go live. After that, you will be able to see the interface over here. So in the upper section, you can see the watch on your mind option, so simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you'll be able to see the live video option. If you are not able to see, then you can just click on what's on your mind option, and from over here you can see the three dotted horizontal line in the right hand side. So you can tap on that and you'll be able to see the live video. So what you have to do is you have to just tap on live video option, and from over here you can edit your live. You can turn on your flash, you can mute mic, rotate your camera, put stickers, effects, text which are in the right hand side, and you can also add anyone that you want to in your live. After that, you can tap on go live. So by following this simple step, you can go live on Facebook. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.